Hi, my name is Katie with Factory Direct Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute ring holder. What you're going to need for this project is you're going to need an old frame, several sheets of felt, a pair of scissors, a pen, and a hot glue gun, and finally just some rings to display. So once you get all of the supplies you need together, let's go ahead and get started on this project. So the first step is fairly simple. You're just going to take your frame and pop the back out. So this one slides. So I'm going to slide the backing and the glass part. And you're going to go ahead and lay your frame, lay the piece of glass from your frame on top of a piece of cardboard. Then you're going to use a pen to trace around the outside lines, just like so. And this is going to give us a rough shape. And this little piece of cardboard that we're cutting out is going to serve as the back that supports the ring holder. So I'm going to go about a quarter of an inch in from that line, because this piece of cardboard has to fit, be able to slide inside the frame. So just like so. Okay, once that's done, we're going to go ahead and measure this piece of felt to match. And we want a strip that's going to be the same size as our cardboard. So I'm just going to take my pen, run it along there, all the way up. And then I'm going to go ahead, there we go, and cut out this strip of felt. Now we're going to be making little rolls of felt. So you're going to need to cut out, it's going to vary depending on the length of your piece of cardboard, but each sheet makes about 2 rolls, I've found. And you'll probably need at least 10 rolls for about my size, I think it'll end up being. So the amount of cardboard, the amount of felt that you have to cut out is going to depend on your length of cardboard. Okay, and now that I have my felt all cut up, I'm going to go ahead and make my first roll. So I'm just going to fold the bottom piece of my felt up and start rolling it just like so. And these individual rolls are what are gonna hold the rings in place. So I'm gonna roll it about halfway up, and you want it to be a fairly tight roll. And then you're just gonna go ahead and draw a line of hot glue right at the side. Finish the roll. And I'm going to hold that and let that dry for a few seconds. And once the hot glue is dry, I'm going to hold the roll in place. We're going to use scissors just to cut this side off. Okay, once your roll is all glued and that's dried and it's set, you're going to go ahead and secure it to the piece of cardboard using hot glue. So here you can see I've started this already. I have a bunch of rolls on here. So what you do is you just take your hot glue gun, draw a line right next to the last felt roll that you applied, and stick it on with the seam facing down. And you want this to be tied up against the roll in front of it, just like so. And you just keep repeating the steps, rolling, adding hot glue, and attaching them to the cardboard until the entire length of cardboard is covered. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that, and then I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, so here you can see I've finished covering my entire piece of cardboard with these little felt rolls. It looks like this. And now the final step is putting them in the frame. So all you have to do for this step is actually just lay the frame right on top of the piece of cardboard, just like so. And you can see they fill it up really nicely. And there you have it. All you gotta do is display your rings. So I have 2 rings right here. I'll kind of show you how this works. You just put them in like that, and it holds them perfectly in place and displays them quite nicely too. You can hang this up on your wall, you can leave it sitting on your desk or your dresser or wherever you have the rest of your jewelry collection displayed. And it's just a super fun, kind of cool way to showcase your jewelry. Anyways, I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this project. Thanks for watching.